Tesla installs some charging posts at Hollywood Diner. Tesla's upcoming drive-in, diner, and supercharger site in Hollywood is coming together quite nicely, with the latest footage showing that crews have poured concrete across much of the customer parking lot, started installing the actual posts for initial superchargers, and more. In drone footage shared by 247 Tesla on Tuesday, we can see that the crews have poured concrete across around half of the overall customer parking lot area, and some of the V4 supercharger hardware we saw going in last week now feature the actual charging posts. The video's host also points out that the wall on the west side of the lot, which previously included a bunch of graffiti, has now been covered up with solid gray paint. The site also shows several cars in the attached parking lot, though not many workers can be seen working on the exterior, suggesting that there may be a lot going into the interior space at this time. Workers have also closed off one lane on Santa Monica Boulevard, as crews work to update the road sightline by replacing the wooden telephone poles. Tesla Diner and Drive-In closes in on construction, receives wave of permit updates. The upcoming Tesla Diner, located at 7001 Santa Monica Boulevard, has been under construction for the past year. It's set to be home to a unique 1950s-style diner, as well as a drive-in movie theater that will play highlight reels of some of the best movie moments in history, according to initial musings about the project from Elon Musk. Interestingly, while the diner and supercharger site likely won't be completed for another couple of months, some have spotted Tesla seemingly testing full self-driving FSD around the diner and other California locations ahead of the company's Thursday robotaxi unveiling event. One apparent prototype was also seen testing outside of the Warner Brothers studio in Burbank at which the event will be hosted. In any case, Tesla has also begun hiring for its supercharger, diner and drive-in, and it posted a job listing for a Tesla Diner Experience Specialist in August that remains up on its careers page today. It's unclear at this time when Tesla plans to open the unique diner location, though if construction progress and hiring are any indication, they are. We'll likely get some news on this in the coming months. Tesla's LA diner building gets steel Cybertruck-inspired siding. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.